Hey everyone! If you can't tell from my voice, I am very excited because I have the new Flowerscape in Paradise. So this is the new one from Maggie Enterrios. Maggie was sweet enough to send me an early release copy so that I could show it to you guys. You can get a sneak peek. And of course, you can pre-order it now on Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the description below for that. And if you're watching this after it's released, well, hey, you can just go buy it then. All right, so first let's talk about the cover. She had let us vote on the cover back when she was creating it. I must say I was team teal, but I'm biased because teal is my favorite color. But there are some teal in here. So the coral one won the vote, but it's still very pretty. I mean, look at this. Love it. I did order a second copy because I love her work. And as you guys know, in the first one, I'm coloring it cover to cover in Prismacolors. The second one, haven't decided. So you open it up. I did get a little sweet note from her, just, thanking me. And, well, I'm going to treasure it. So here we go. All right, so this is the belongs to page. It's the same paper as the last one, so nice and thick. Love that sound. And oh gosh, this is why I love this artist. Just her double page spreads, while big, aren't overwhelming, and that is what makes her work just so stunning. I mean, look at all this detail in here, but if you think about it, you're really not tackling a ton of elements, and you can leave this white or do a background. You do you. So she's got her flower identification here. I love it. Rainbow dahlias, neon orchids. Just go crazy. But, if you want palette recommendations, she does have resources available. So that's good to know. There will be sample illustrations. The main botanical is used in each composition, so similar to the last book. So I'll show you that in a minute, but here we go. So this is how the last book was kind of set up. You'd have one page that would have a single flower, and then that way you could look them up, and then that flower would reappear in one of the larger spreads. So you have the clivia and the torch ginger. If you want to be realistic, you can go ahead and look it up, or she added this to this edition. Scan here and you can just use the QR code to get a color reference. So that's pretty cool. And then as you can see, here's the torch ginger and then the clivia right there. But look at that. I have not seen this. I got it and I was waiting to share with you. So again, we've got our two flowers here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is going to be so fun. I like how she has two flowers. Like I said, the first edition had one. I'm digging the QR code, because a lot of us struggle with color palettes and color ideas. Oh, gosh. So I do too, and I've been doing this for years. I like that. Ooh, this one is cuteness. Now, I probably won't color this one cover to cover because I want to just dive in. But maybe I'll do something similar. Maybe I will do one version cover to cover with just polys or a different pencil, Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, she's got 4 here. Just to let you know. The wattle. I didn't know that was a wattle. Now I know. Breathtaking. I love it. Lobster claws, queen's wreath, oh, and the turtle, and the jets. Never fails. If I film, the jets come. I love this. We used to have these growing up, little hanging baskets with a seahorse in there. Oh, this was so worth the wait. So worth it. I believe it releases on the 23rd. So, this was supposed to come a little sooner, but there was some shipping mishaps, and Maggie was so sweet about it. and apologizing. I was like, you don't have to apologize. You're sending me a free book. So never apologize. But, oh, so lovely. I just love the way she draws flowers. There's a lot of artists out there that do florals, but something about the way she does them is so elegant. And I think it's because she does a lot of those patterns, and so she just knows how to balance the elements and just make absolutely stunning bouquets. Oh, this one is interesting with all these around here. Well, that's aloe. Interesting. Sandpaper vine. Gosh, I can't even wait to see what book 3 will be. I'm hoping there's a book 3. That's just me having wishful thinking, but oh, beautiful. So yeah, if you haven't pre-ordered it, I have a link in the description below. If you're watching this after it's already out, you can still buy it on Amazon. If you pre-ordered it, technically, ooh, I like how this is separated into different ones. I do. But yeah, if you pre-ordered it, it's supposed to come to your house on the day of release, but Amazon sometimes fails us. Oh, I need to learn how to color frogs. But again, you don't have to like do the colors like a begonia. You don't need to color it like a begonia if you don't want to. Just like she said at the beginning of the book, go neon. Do something crazy. Pomegranate. Oh, that's cool. Oh, hibiscus. Oh, this one's fun. Look at this. Lime blossoms with limes. Angel's trumpet. I really want to color that one. Oh, that'd be perfect for like summer, spring. Again, I'm not finding a page like I wouldn't color. That's why with her first one, I said I was going to go cover to cover because there was nothing turning me off about her artwork. You know, sometimes you'll have that one-off page where like, yeah, I'm not touching that. Ooh, the koi fish in here with a water lily. Oh, I'm going to have to think of a way to do this one. But yeah, I'm just blown away by her just beautiful line art. Stunning. I'm always drawn to her florals, and I haven't done as much in my other one, but it's because I really take my time with hers. I want to do them justice. I want to give them the color they deserve. I like how that's spread out. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh, and it is sewn in. Always nice because then you don't have to worry about like the glue breaking loose. Oh, check that out. Wow. Ooh, this one is actually really, I like that one. And then we've got a little about, and then a special thanks. You could even use this as a color test page if you wanted, or back here because you got some extra pages. And then just the pretty pink, and then this gorgeous background. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I love her work. So this is like a smaller book. It's smaller than like your typical Johanna Basford, but that's a good thing. Less to worry about in color. So a special thank you to Maggie for sending this to me early. I think what I'm going to do is probably with this upcoming Sunday, maybe this will be something we live stream and color a page out of, because I just adore this. And even if I can't do that, then I'm going to be doing something on camera here soon. But I wanted to get the flip through out to you guys just so you knew what to expect. And oh, my love. Can I hug my book? Is that acceptable? So let me know if you pre-ordered it. If you like this one, or do you like the first one better? I'm sorry, I love both of them because I just love her artwork so much, so I can't pick, but always love to hear everyone's opinions. And yeah, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.